In today's world, where the reliance on portable power sources is ever increasing, the Portable Power Station 2000W Peak with a 576Wh LiFePO4 battery offers a practical solution for those in need of mobile energy. This device is particularly noteworthy for its solar generator capabilities, making it an appealing choice for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. The portable power station features a peak output of 2000 watts, which allows it to power various devices and appliances. This includes small electronics, camping gear, and even some larger appliances, depending on their wattage requirements. The 576 watt-hour capacity indicates the total amount of energy the battery can store, providing users with adequate power for extended periods. Its LiFePO4 battery technology enhances safety, longevity, and thermal management, ensuring consistent performance over time. One of the standout features of this power station is its fast charging capability, reportedly allowing users to fully charge the unit in approximately 1.8 hours. This is particularly beneficial for those who need to quickly replenish their energy reserves. Additionally, the unit supports multiple charging options, including solar panels, which can be a sustainable choice for off-grid situations. The integration of solar charging adds flexibility to its usage, making it suitable for camping trips, outdoor events, or as a backup during power outages. The design of the portable power station prioritizes user convenience. It is equipped with several output ports, including AC outlets, USB-A, and USB-C ports, enabling simultaneous charging of multiple devices. This multifunctionality is a significant advantage for users who may require energy for various gadgets at once. Moreover, its compact and portable design suggests that it can be easily transported, which is an important factor for users looking to maintain mobility. In conclusion, the Portable Power Station 2000W Peak with a 576Wh LiFePO4 battery presents a versatile and efficient solution for those in need of portable power. Its combination of fast charging, solar compatibility, and multiple output options makes it a relevant choice for a wide array of situations, from leisure activities to emergency uses. As with any product, potential users may wish to consider their specific power needs and usage scenarios to determine if this power station aligns well with their requirements.